Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear learners, I am Farjana Yasmin. You know this channel I have made for learning English grammar, vocabulary, phrases, pronunciation for daily English. Today we are going to learn 3 phrases for the second time meeting, and these phrases we will use in a different way. So you can learn different ways how to meet with someone for the second time. It's very natural, right? When you have met someone for the second time, you can say it's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. And today we will try to learn different expressions, how we can use this sentence in a different way. Not always we will tell it's good to see you again. To see you again, how you can express this in different ways, right? So you can say, just change the adjective good. You can say nice, wonderful, delightful, marvelous, exciting. So how you can express this? It's nice to see you again. It's wonderful to see you again. It's delightful to see you again. It's marvelous to see you again. And it's exciting to see you again. So using these phrases, you can practice your English every day. Now, you see, it's good to see you again. In this sentence, I will change the verb see. I will not repeat the verb see. So instead of saying see, what we can tell? Let's learn. It's good to meet you again. So meet. Don't say see, you can say meet. The next one is talk to, be with, hear from, or have a conversation with. How can you use these sentences? Let's see. It's good to meet you again. It's good to talk to you again. It's good to be with you again. And it's good to hear from you again. And the last one is good to have a conversation with you again. So do you want to practice again with me? Let's do it. It's good to see you again. It's good to meet you again. It's good to talk to you again. It's good to be with you again. It's good to hear from you again. And it's good to have a conversation with you again. So, dear learners, we have changed the first sentence. It's good to see you again. We have changed all the adjectives. The second sentence is good to see you again. We have changed verb. And now the third sentence, it's good to see you again. We will try to change the pronoun so that the sentences can be different. So let's learn how to change the pronoun in this sentence. For example, it's good to see them again. So I'm not telling you, I'm using them. You can say it's good to see you, all of you again. All of you again. It's good to see you, everyone again. It's good to see you, everyone again. So dear learners, that's all for today. I hope you have liked today's lesson. If you like today's lesson, you please like, share and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching.